Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the out-of-range error on an MSI monitor. First, if your screen is completely black, you need to start your computer in safe mode. To do this, hold the Shift key and click Restart from the Power menu. Then go to Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, and press Restart. When the options appear, press 4 to enter safe mode. Once you are inside safe mode, right-click on the desktop and open Display Settings. Set your screen resolution to a lower value, such as 1280 by 720, and set the refresh rate to 60 Hz. Next, you should make sure your refresh rate is set correctly. Right-click on the desktop again, go to Display Settings, then Advanced Display Settings. Find the refresh rate option and change it to 60 Hz. This is the most common fix because many monitors do not support higher refresh rates on certain inputs. If the issue is still there, your graphics drivers might be the cause. Open a web browser and go to the official website of your graphics card brand, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download the latest drivers for your specific model. Once the download is complete, install the drivers and restart your computer. Finally, you can reset your monitor itself. Use the physical buttons on the back of your MSI monitor to open the on-screen display menu. Look for a reset or factory default option and select it. After following these steps, your monitor should work normally again. Thanks for watching.